What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you. And if you want to know how I got it, just keep on watching. Our first step is going to be to put on moisturizer. Next, I'm putting on this facial oil. It is a mixture of lavender and tea tree oil or something like that. My mom made it for me, so you have to ask her. e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. I'm doing concealer first, so I'm gonna do the LA Girl Pro Conceal. The e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. Just bought it. I like it. I want it. I got it. e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation in 210 Natural. Just give me them babies. NYX Total Control in Golden. Jordana Forever Flawless Press Powder. Eyebrows. I have this eyeliner. It's by Tarte and it's called Sex Kit. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil and I'm going to use a spoolie and I'm just going to brush my brow hairs up. After I do those little lines, and I just like the other day made up this method of eyebrow filling in, I use the e.l.f. and since it's a lighter color, just go in on the end with the spoolie. I just kind of blend in the little eyeliner bits since they're so dark. So I take the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer and I put it on my eyelids to prime them. So I'm using the James Charles palette today. And so I'm taking this bright orange color. It looks yellow on camera, but it's bright orange. Putting it in the crease. I give 0 and I got 0 chill in me. I'm gonna blend the edges. So next I'm gonna get this brown color. I'm gonna clean off the brush and continue to blend. Just so you don't dream. So then we're going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal and we're going to do our first cut crease. Taking an angled brush and this purple color. Bring it in right here a little bit. So then with the same brush, I'm going to take this bright blue color. It's like bright blue. So taking this baby blue color on my pinky. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take that bright orange again. And then with the orangey brown color, go into the bottom, just kind of like how you did the top. Taking this very neutral color. Taking a bit of the orange on the blending brush. Just go into the crease again. Shimmery cream color. Putting it in the brow bone. It's from e.l.f. I'm gonna use it with the L'Oreal Infallible Lacquer Liner. Black is black. So next I'm taking the NYX Sweet Cheeks and Coralicious. I forgot to put this down my nose. e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. I basically didn't like set under my eyes because yesterday I did a different technique and it was fine without me setting it, but I guess like just putting heavier makeup or foundation or whatever just doesn't mix well with the 20 or 16 hour camo concealer. If I set it, it definitely would crack and be very powdery and not good. e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation to clean up my brows, and this is all over the place because I should have done that before. Jordana Forever Flawless Press Powder. And put a little bit on my forehead. So next is mascara, and this is CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. I didn't know what it was called before because it was rubbed off, so that's what it's called. And I apologize for not doing my mascara before. I was too lazy. So this is a little makeup video, literally. And now it's the final step, which is lips. It's NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. This is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope you liked it, and I will be back with another video very soon. Bye!